Windows 11 users are wrestling with yet another Windows update stalling bug. According to post in the feedback hub, Windows 11 updates are failing to stall for some folks, a problem that has been going on for several months. This issue can also be reproduced when installing Microsoft monthly rounded off patching release last week and early this month. KB 502 to 303, the mandatory security update and essentially for Windows 11 user is failing with mysterious error message with 0x800F0831 being the most common error code. This bug is also hitting KB5022360, which is the latest optional update for Windows 11. My HP laptop has been unable to successfully install the most current update 2023-01 cumulative update for Windows 11 version 22H2 for x64 based system KB5022303 in the which the following message error code is given. Failed to install on 1/15/2023 0x800F0988. One of the affected user noted in the feedback hub post. The update has been trying to stall for over a week and continues to down error 0x80070005. I have tried restarting, signing off, shutting down, purging cache, etc. The same issue continues, another user added. Windows Update installation failure is proving real trouble for Microsoft. What is worrying is that similar Windows Update problems were reported in December, November, October, September, and even August. In worst cases, PC are going into a reboot loop, but this issue doesn't appear widespread according to reports we received. This failure have been evident for some time now, and Microsoft has been into the issue of updates regularly failing for some users. There a 5-month-old post on the feedback hub highlighting issue with Windows 11 update installation process. The post is titled "The cumulative update I am trying to install on Windows 11 failed with error 0x800073701 and several users confirmed similar issue in the comments." The post was recently updated with a note stating that the problem is being investigated, but we don't have any details. While these strange errors can be annoying, it is worth nothing that they hit Windows 10 installation a long ago. It remains a problem on Windows 10 and the company has been struggling to fix it. As part of its effort to fix update issue, Microsoft also starting bundling SSU several stack updates, servicing stack updates with the monthly cumulative updates, but the approach also did not work. How to deal with Windows update issue? Suppose you cannot download or install any Windows 11 update. In that case, we recommended .ms installer offered via the Microsoft Update Catalog, which has proven an ideal solution for those affected. Another workaround is an place of via the media creation tool, but this can be a long and frustrating process.